Alright, speed lovers, buckle up. Today I'm diving deep into why the Ferrari 458 is a supercar legend. Get ready to feel the rush. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The Ferrari 458 is a masterpiece of design. Its sculpted lines and aggressive stance scream speed and elegance. Those sleek LED headlights and the signature front grille give it a face you won't forget. And let's not overlook those aerodynamic curves designed to slice through the air like a hot knife through butter. Every angle of the 458 is a testament to Ferrari's commitment to style and performance. Now step inside and you're greeted with an interior that's just as stunning. The cockpit is driver-focused, with every control placed for maximum convenience. The leather seats hug you tight, ensuring comfort even when you're pushing the car to its limits. The dashboard is a blend of classic Ferrari charm with modern tech. Think digital displays alongside iconic analog gauges. And that steering wheel? Packed with buttons and switches, it feels like you're gripping the controls of a fighter jet. But what truly makes the Ferrari 458 legendary is its performance. Under that sleek hood lies a 4.5-liter V8 engine that roars to life with 562 horsepower. This beast can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. And the top speed? A blistering 202 miles per hour. The sound of that engine is pure symphony, a high-pitched scream that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. The 458 isn't just about speed though. Its handling is razor sharp, thanks to advanced aerodynamics and a finely tuned suspension. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or tearing up a racetrack, the 458 responds with precision and grace. The dual-clutch transmission shifts gears faster than you can blink, giving you seamless power delivery. And let's not forget the brakes. Carbon ceramic discs ensure that you can bring this beast to a stop just as quickly as it accelerates. Safety and control are paramount, even when you're pushing the limits. In summary, the Ferrari 458 is more than just a car. It's an experience. A blend of breathtaking design, luxurious comfort, and unparalleled performance makes it a true supercar legend. If you get the chance to drive one, seize it. Trust me, it's a ride you'll never forget. That's it for today, speed lovers. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride, and don't forget to subscribe for more adrenaline-pumping content. Until next time, stay fast, stay furious.